To replace the auger bearing spacer in your snowblower, use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the belt cover. Secure the auger and use a 7/16" socket to unthread the bolt securing the auger pulley. Release the brake and remove the pulley and belt. Now unthread the screws securing the auger assembly. Unthread the 3 screws on the right side of the auger housing. You can now fully remove the auger assembly. Use a 9/16" socket to unthread the bolt to release the bearing assembly. Pull back the spacer tabs to release the flange and bearing. Prepare the new auger bearing spacer for installation by transferring the washer from the old spacer to the new one. Set the bearing into the new spacer and snap on the flange. Make sure the washer is in place on the auger shaft, then slide on the assembly. Thread the bolt to secure. Now reinstall the auger assembly by inserting the shaft through the hole in the left side of the housing. Then align the assembly on the right side of the housing. Rethread the 3 screws. Align the flange on the left side, then thread the screws. With the drive belt looped around the auger pulley, align the belt on the drive pulley and under the brake as you position the auger pulley on the shaft. Slide on the washer, then thread the bolt to secure the pulley. Confirm that the belt is seated properly. Then replace the belt cover and secure it with the screws. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.